Guilty on all three counts, Hunter Biden has been convicted in his federal gun trial related to his purchase of a handgun back in 2018 while addicted to drugs. And thank you for joining us this midday. We're live on ABC 30, Hulu Live, and wherever you stream. I'm Jason Oliveira.
And I'm Graciela Moreno. The son of a sitting president has never before faced a criminal trial. ABC's Rena Roy explains what comes next as Hunter Biden waits to learn his punishment, which could include prison time.
Hunter Biden found guilty of all charges in the felony gun case against him in Delaware, walking out of the courtroom in Wilmington just moments after hearing the verdict, hand in hand with his wife and the First Lady, Dr. Jill Biden. Hunter Biden releasing a written statement saying, "I am more grateful today for the love and support I experienced last week from Melissa, my family, my friends, and my community than I am disappointed by the outcome. Recovery is possible by the grace of God, and I'm blessed to experience that gift one day at a time." The jury of 6 men and 6 women coming to the decision guilty on all 3 charges after just over 3 hours of deliberations over 2 days. Prosecutors say he knew he was using drugs and knew he was addicted to drugs, but checked no on this federal background check form while buying a revolver in October of 2018. The form asking whether he was an unlawful user of or addicted to drugs. But Hunter's defense attorney, Abby Lowell, telling jurors the prosecution failed to prove Hunter was actively using at the time of the purchase, saying there was no actual witness to Hunter using drugs on the crucial days. During the trial, jurors hearing testimony from several women in his life, including his ex-wife and ex-girlfriend, the owner and employees of the gun shop where he bought his firearm, and a number of expert witnesses. His 30-year-old daughter, Naomi, also taking the stand, but Hunter Biden did not testify in his own defense. Defense lawyer Abby Lowell arguing Hunter Biden was using alcohol at that time, but not drugs, and that the form was confusing. They say he had just gotten out of a 12-day rehab program before purchasing the gun. President Biden releasing a written statement saying in part, "As I also said last week, I will accept the outcome of this case and continue to respect the judicial process as Hunter considers an appeal. Jill and I will always be there for Hunter and the rest of the family with our love and support. Nothing will ever change that."
The judge says a sentencing date will be scheduled in the next 120 days. He could face up to 25 years in prison, but legal experts believe he won't serve any time as a first-time and nonviolent offender. Rena Roy, ABC News, Wilmington, Delaware.